Welcome back to another video. This will be regarding the operation order within CATIA. This will apply to part design, but also to more complex workbenches. So if we take a look at this part, we're going to have a simple pad at the start, which will be for the bottom plate. And afterwards, with a shaft, we are going to define the following part over here. And other than that, we're going to have some cuts. And most of the other elements are just dress up, features, and also this cutout, which will be done using a circular pattern. Now, regarding the operation of features within CATIA, if you want to do a rollback, for example, I would like to see the part only with the pad applied, I can do that by going to the pad and clicking over here, defining work object. And as we can see, now we are just going to have the pad and the associated sketch, which I can open, and I can change if I would want to change some of the values over there. Afterwards, if I want to show the following operation, which will be an edge fillet over here, I can select that and go to defining work object. And we're going to see that also applied over here. Now, if I will do any changes to the part over here while I'm currently within the edge fillet, for example, I want to do an extra cut in the part. So this will be just as an example. I would position the following sketch over here. Let's also add some values so that it won't be everything so random, for example. And I will also want to position this at the middle, so 7.5. And if I will do a pocket with that sketch, which will go up to next, now our final part will have that pocket cutout over there. And we're going to see that the position of that newly defined pocket, which is pocket 6, will be added over here. Even though within the part we had pocket 1, pocket 2, 3, 4, and 5 later after the shaft. So keep that in mind that you can change the order over here. And now, for example, if I will also apply the shaft, that will appear. But we are still going to have that pocket that we previously added. And if you want to add everything, I can go to the last one, defining work object, and we're going to have all the elements added. So over here, we're going to have a major problem since we're no longer going to have thickness over here. But if you want to change that, we can easily go within the sketch. So I'll just make this 12 millimeters. And now we are just going to have that slight cutout there. Keep in mind that you can also rearrange the operations. In some cases, if you want to add those to a linear pattern or a circular pattern, it is highly recommended to have them positioned before that pattern. Otherwise, you won't be able to select those and you will have to reapply another pattern. So for example, I can select this edge fillet, which has been applied to the part directly after the first pad. I can drag and drop that and position it after, for example, the last pocket over here. And we're going to see how that will update within the list. Visually, the part will be the same, so nothing happened to the, let's say, to the geometry and to the CAD model. It's just regarding the file operation and feature operations within the part. And this is really important if you want to modify your designs, to be aware of how you can swap their position and how you can make use of the defining work object feature. Okay, so I hope that you find this video useful. I will position a similar video over here on the left. I will add the CATIA V5 tips and tricks to the top. I highly recommend that you're going to check that. And I will also add a subscribe button over here. So that's it. Thanks for watching.